supposed to have some dry ice, but we couldn't find any. There's only a tiny bit in here. And this tube is supposed to make the lava erupt, and this can be baking soda and vinegar. And this is supposed to be put some Diet Pepsi, and it's supposed to make the 24 Mentos explode.
All right.
Is anybody tuned in?
Yeah.
Okay, can I start?
Yeah.
So first I'm going to start with the dry ice tube.
Oh, wait, this is the what is that? Volcano, right?
And it's
Okay.
supposed to give us some.
There you go. That's enough. See the smoke? Oh, that's so
It's
cool.
so cool, you know.
All right, move back, Yana. Ooh, it's bubbling. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's pretty cool. All right, so what's next?
Next, I put the baking soda and vinegar in.
Ooh, anything? Uh-oh.
Is that it right there, bubbly?
Okay, and last but not
Uh-oh.
the worst.
You might just pop.
See, I'm not that good at this.
All right.
Mementos.
Oh,
Oh, that's so cool.